To withdraw from BitMart to Binance, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a verified account on both BitMart and Binance, as this is a requirement for withdrawing and depositing cryptocurrencies. Start by logging into your BitMart account and navigating to the Wallet section. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the Withdraw button next to the selected cryptocurrency. You will then be prompted to enter the withdrawal address. This is where you will need to copy and paste the deposit address from your Binance account. To find the deposit address on Binance, log into your account and navigate to the Wallet section. Select the same cryptocurrency you are trying to withdraw from BitMart and click on Deposit. Binance will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this address and go back to BitMart. Paste the address into the withdrawal address field and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal amount and any applicable fees before confirming the transaction. Once you have entered the address and amount, click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transaction. BitMart will then process the withdrawal and send the cryptocurrency to your Binance account. It is essential to double-check the withdrawal address to ensure the cryptocurrency is sent to the correct location. Also, be aware of any network fees associated with the transaction. After the withdrawal is initiated, you can track the status of the transaction on both BitMart and Binance. On Binance, navigate to the Wallet section and select the cryptocurrency you withdrew. The transaction should appear in the transaction history once it is confirmed on the blockchain. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw from BitMart to Binance. Always prioritize security and double-check the withdrawal address to avoid any potential issues with the transaction.